Looking for the right vehicle? Check out 2021 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, LED headlights, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, driver illuminated vanity mirror, four-wheel disc brakes. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.